Think you've seen it all when it comes to tripods? Well, think again. This is the brand new Platypod Delta, Platypod's latest innovation for photographers and creatives. Today, I'll show you 5 unique ways to use this compact marvel, and I promise the last one will leave you thirsty for more. From stunning long exposures to lighting setups and even a sneaky life hack, this tiny tripod is packed with surprises. Stick around to see how the Delta can literally help you pop open your creativity. Hi everyone, I'm Kirsten Nuts and welcome to Platypod TV, brought to you by Platypod, where innovation never sleeps. Oh, and just a quick heads up. I'm not going to hassle you to hit that subscribe button just yet. But if you like what you see, I might give you a little nudge later on. Cool? Alright. Let's do it. First up, the Platypod Delta is a lifesaver for long exposures. Paired with the Platypod Traveler or the Platypod tripod heads, it's rock solid on any surface. Just look at this result. Sharp, vibrant, and no tripod bulk to lug around. Second, it's perfect for smartphone shooters. Attach your phone with a Platypod grip and suddenly you've got a super stable setup for video, time lapses, or even vlogging. Third, the Delta isn't just for cameras, it's a killer lighting stand. Mount an LED panel or speed light, and with the Velcro strap you can attach it to a tree or pole for those hard to reach angles. Lightweight, compact, and super versatile. Fourth is for all you podcasters and filmmakers out there. The Delta makes an ideal microphone stand. Just attach your mic and you're ready to capture crisp audio wherever you are. And finally, the ultimate use, the Delta doubles as a bottle opener. What? Yeah, part of this ingenious design can crack open a cold one after a long day of shooting. So there you have it, folks. 5 awesome ways to use the new Platypod Delta. Whether you're shooting long exposures, stabilizing a smartphone, or even opening your favorite drink, this little tripod does it all. Want one? Just go over to platypod.com or follow the link in the description below. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more creative tips. So keep creating, and I'll see you next time.